Welcome to Flutter Beginner Course, Episode 3. In this episode, we'll build a modern login screen UI from scratch. You'll learn real Flutter widgets, clean UI design, and beginner-friendly coding techniques. Before we start coding, take a look at the final login screen we'll create. It includes email and password fields, a modern layout, Google sign-in, and a responsive Material 3 design. Every Flutter screen is built using widgets. Our login screen follows a widget tree starting with Material App, then Scaffold, Container, Safe Area, Single Child Scroll View, Center, and finally a column containing all UI components. To make our app look modern, we're using a soft blue gradient background. Flutter's box decoration and linear gradient help create beautiful backgrounds with just a few lines of code. The login form is placed inside a clean rounded card with subtle shadows and transparency. This Glassmorphism effect makes the UI look premium while keeping everything easy to read. Here we're creating the email text field. Using InputDecoration, we add a hint, an email icon, rounded borders, and proper spacing to provide a professional user experience. The password field hides user input using obscure text. With a visibility icon, users can quickly show or hide their password whenever needed. Below the input fields, we add the Remember Me checkbox, Forgot Password button, Login button, Google Sign-in button, and a sign-up option to complete the authentication flow. Our UI automatically adapts to different screen sizes using responsive Flutter widgets. Whether it's a phone or tablet, the design remains clean and consistent. Now the complete login screen is ready. We've combined all the widgets together to build a beautiful and responsive Flutter interface. TextEditingController helps us read and manage user input from text fields. It makes it easy to access email and password values whenever the login button is pressed. InputDecoration controls the appearance of a text field. It allows us to customize labels, hints, icons, borders, colors, and many other visual elements. Prefix and suffix icons improve usability. Prefix icons indicate the input type, while suffix icons provide actions like showing or hiding the password. OutlineInputBorder creates clean rounded borders around text fields. It gives the input fields a modern appearance and improves overall UI consistency. The Remember Me checkbox lets users save their login preference. In real applications, this value is often stored locally using shared preferences. The Forgot Password text button is a secondary action. It allows users to recover their account without distracting from the primary login button. Google Sign-in provides a fast and secure authentication method. Users can log in with a single tap without creating a new account. The elevated button is our primary action button. It clearly guides users to submit their credentials and continue into the application. Outlined button is perfect for secondary actions. Its transparent background and bordered style keep the interface clean while maintaining visual hierarchy. Icon button is used for quick actions such as search, settings, edit, share, or toggling password visibility. It's compact, intuitive, and improves the overall user experience. Congratulations, you've successfully built your first modern Flutter login screen. But this is just the beginning. In episode 4, we'll build a fully functional calculator app where you'll learn buttons, GridView, user interactions, and the power of setState to create interactive apps. Don't miss it. Like this video, subscribe to FuzzuTech, and turn on the notification bell. See you in episode 4.